Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to make money online even if you don't have your own product? In this video, I will walk you through a simple beginner-friendly affiliate marketing tutorial. Step by step, no fluff, no experience needed, just real action you two can take today. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's a product or service and earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. Example, you promote a course or a tool, someone clicks your link, buys it, you get paid. Benefits, no product needed, no customer service, can be 100% free to start. Works in any niche like tech, beauty, health, finance, and more. Choose your niche. Start by choosing a niche. This is your topic or audience. Questions to help choose. What do you enjoy talking or learning about? What problems can you help solve? Is there demand? Check Google, YouTube, and TikTok. Popular niches, health and fitness. Make money online, personal development, tech and gadgets, fashion and beauty. Focus on one niche to build trust and authority faster. Next, you need to find products or service to promote. Free affiliate networks like ClickBank, then for digital products, Amazon Associates, most popular, physical products, then DG Store 20, then Impact.com, and finally Partner Stack. SaaS tools are GoDirect, search brand plus affiliate program on Google. Once approved, you will get a unique tracking link for every product. Don't just drop links, create a landing page or simple funnel to warm up your audience. Free tools you can use Canva Website Builder, Systeme.io, Linktree. Your page should have a headline that grabs attention, information about the product or offer, a button with your affiliate link. Collect emails so you can follow up later. No visitors equal to no clicks. No clicks equal to no sales. Let's get traffic. Free traffic methods. YouTube. Create single videos around your niche. TikTok or Reels. Short, helpful content with your link in bio. Then Pinterest. Most useful website. Create pins linking to your site. Then Facebook groups or Reddit. Join communities and provide value before sharing links. Paid traffic optional like Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer shoutouts. Start small and scale what works. Use tools like Bitly, bit.ly, or bit.ly for link shorten. Good, then you can use also Google Analytics. Alternatively, your affiliate dashboard to track clicks and sales. What content get clicks? Like funny videos or tech videos. Which links convert best? Short bit.ly. What platforms are performing? Make small improvement. Make small improvements weekly. Affiliate marketing takes time. You won't get rich overnight, but with consistency, you can build a passive income stream. Set weekly goals, one video or post a day, 10 minutes of learning daily. Engage with your audience. It's a real business. Treat it like one. To create your account on affiliate marketing program, just click sign up, enter your business details like your name, email, password, your tax ID, date of birth, then your national ID, etc. You can, you are a beginner, just start with Amazon or ClickBank. Super easy to use. Now, how to use bit.ly? Just copy the product link and paste here. Then click get your link for free. Then copy the link and paste your link in YouTube description, Reels caption, and that's it. That's how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2025. The beginner friendly way. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more details. Comment your niche below for custom advice, free guide, or tools in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go launch your first link. See you in the next one.